Happy Halloween! Fucking bitch! I got this. Hi guys, today's video is Halloween video. It's a Halloween vlog. It's Halloween here in Toronto and everywhere in the world, really.
Wow, too close.
Sorry.
Too close.
Is it too close? So, if you guys didn't know, Fabio and I love Halloween. Every single year we dress up if we could, and every single year, since the year we started dating, we dressed up. And right now, tonight, we are dressing up again.
The very first year we met, we dressed up as Netflix and chill, and it was hilarious. People
Everybody
loved it.
on the street was laughing.
The second year we were Beyonce, the Lemonade album,
Yes.
and Becky with the good hair, and it was hilarious. We hand sew the costume. This year, since we've been so busy and personally very lazy, and I forgot completely about Halloween for something very simple, such as
Such as what?
something heist, and then
Money Heist from
Money
the Netflix show Money Heist, and Fabio's gonna be.
and I'm gonna be the boring ass like everyone else in the streets of Toronto, Joker.
Anyway, so we're gonna vlog the whole process. We're also gonna go out in the streets, and it's gonna be fun. We love Halloween. Comment below what kind of costume you dressed up this year. Anyway, let's go!
Wow, look how beautiful that ponytail. It looks like a car ran over my head.
Alright guys, so we sat down at our kitchen table / dining table / coffee table / makeup table station.
Slash bed.
Okay, so we are doing Fabio's makeup. So he is gonna be the Joker, like we said.
First, I just want to say a quick thank you to one of my best friends, Chantal, that created this amazing bracelet for me.
Okay guys, so we have all the makeup here. Instead of doing the typical Joker colorful eye makeup, like he has like red lip in the movie and red eyebrow and blue eyeshadow. Instead of doing that, we found this very nice one online.
Yeah, and much simpler
It's
to
like
recreate.
simpler and it's like chic, and
So, it's black and white.
it's very chic. It's black and white. It's like
yeah.
classic. So I don't know. Let's just go for that one because we like that look better.
Yeah, and it's so much easier. So I'm
And
just gonna go for it.
I wanna do Fabio's makeup, but he doesn't want me to do it. So
Absolutely not.
I'm gonna be here for eating.
For today's look, guys.
YouTube.
Welcome.
Guru.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna recreate a Halloween look inspired by Joker, the movie that I haven't watched. I'm gonna start
Nobody talks like that on YouTube.
by applying this white paint that is very unhealthy for the skin.
I'm gonna be here, guys, to supervise. Use this to paint.
I'm gonna start with a dab here and there on my face, on my forehead.
You have no plans whatsoever. Just gonna go for it.
And then I'm going to... Oh, do I have a mirror or I'm just gonna use the camera?
Am I doing the makeup?
Like, can you go get a mirror at least? Are
You
not
get yourself a mirror.
Assist me!
You won't let me do your makeup.
Please, can you go assist me and get a sponge too? A damp sponge. So, Yani is gonna get a brush for me, a clean brush. This paint that really smells like paint, I must say.
That's it?
So Dollarama, if you wanna sponsor a construction company, or if I do with a finger, doesn't it go better? Wow.
Bitch, we're gonna do layers. We're gonna let it dry first.
Oh, so if I do this,
Okay, do that. Okay, do your side with finger, and I'm gonna do this with my.
See, he just wants to get involved in my YouTube channel. Yani,
Come on.
I don't want my eyes to be
The
white.
entire thing is white.
So I'm already annoyed. Like I don't appreciate we only have a tube.
Look, you're white already. Oh my god, look at the camera. You're white already. See?
I'm gonna. Oh, by the way, guys, I've been around teaching
Stop moving.
yoga all damn day with this t-shirt.
Okay, are you done
Very
complaining?
very sweaty. I'm not gonna change it. I'm gonna keep it on.
Jesus, then keep it on.
Look
it's
how
a lot
fast-
nicer with the brush. Close
Yeah,
your
but
eyes,
when
close
you
your
go
eyes.
close to my eyes, can you at least warm me? Like he goes in one eye and then he goes straight in the mouth.
It's a lot nicer with the paint brush.
So it's deeply burning my eyes, which obviously is great
Wait,
for.
let's make it perfect your jaw so that you have a jaw.
Ow! Why
The
do you
hair.
pull? You did my jaw in two completely different lines. Wow, he grabs me like I'm a piglet and
Because
I'm about to get murdered.
Okay, can you look here?
Okay, I like this look, so I'm gonna move on to the next step.
We're gonna add one more layer.
Can you bring me some deodorant at least?
Oh my god, is it smelling?
I don't know, smelling. Because you like. I just want to thank again my friend Chantal. Stop grabbing me like I'm a piglet. Seriously. Like all this just to make the foundation. It took half an hour.
Translucent powder. We're gonna powder it, guys.
Moving
You're
on
powdered.
to the for.
See,
Can we remove this because it's kind of
Look at
not smelling that nice. So the bottom triangle kind of goes a little smaller than the top one. You should be a teacher. You should be a teacher. Can't let you see what I have not yet done.
Get close to your eyes. Wow, you're slowly transforming into a Joker now. Maybe a little longer and fatter, no? Wow, Bunny, you're a Joker now. Wow, look. I don't like how that one is not. It's like curved that way. Perfect. How am I gonna see? Look, why is it going that way? You look like a dog.
No, I don't want it down. It's fine
Yeah,
if
it's
it's
perfect.
uneven. After you keep saying it's uneven.
Why do you look like a dog instead of a Joker?
Are you a professor? What the fuck? What degree do you have? Accounting. I'm basing the next triangle from my wrinkles. From the bottom
It is
wrinkle.
though. It is though. The bottom is wrinkled.
Oh, so those are the eyebrows, right?
Perfect.
Oh, you know what I want to see? If for the next triangle you can shut up the whole time. That's what I want to see. Oh, I hear the breath is becoming a little deeper.
Feeling it in.
And now we just need to add a little eyebrows. I have a whole new respect for drag queen.
Okay, Bunny, come on.
I would like it even. He just dropped the pencil, connect the dots. Do you want me to do it?
Bitch, it has to be straight. Don't curve it down here, okay? Makeup technique 101. If you're putting powder, if you're putting liquid, always set it with powder. Yeah, so this will happen there. Bunny! Cute! Wow! Nice, no? Wow! Here, the other eye, I didn't set it.
Good, right?
Wow!
Cool. Okay.
Perfect! Okay.
Holy shit! Hey guys, so I just wet my hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a hair mask, and off we go. Bit of hairspray, and we're ready
Wow,
to
you look
rumble.
Well, even the side is nice. Here. And setting spray for the makeup so it won't go away.
Bait me in this.
Joker, I love that it's like smudgy a little. Yeah.
And now it's Yani's turn for makeup. So let's do it.
Fabio, will you please do my makeup?
I will, bunny boy.
Oh, I'm ready.
Ready? So first we're gonna apply the first layer of his costume. Close your eyes, please, cause done.
Wow, I love this look, Fabio. Thank you so much.